Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. How are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will learn to speak small sentences that we use in daily life and which we often forget to speak.
Can you make a cake?
Yes, I know a recipe.
Can you make a cake?
No, I am not good at baking.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, it's relaxing.
Do you enjoy cooking?
No, it's too stressful.
Are you going to watch the show?
Yes, I love that series.
Are you going to watch the show?
No, I am not stressed.
Can you teach me that dance?
Yes, follow my steps.
Can you teach me that dance?
No, I am not good at it.
Is it cold outside?
Yes, wear a jacket.
Is it cold outside?
No, it's quite warm.
Are you going shopping later?
Yes, I need groceries.
Are you going shopping later?
No, I already did.
Can you solve this problem?
Yes, let me try.
Can you solve this problem?
No, it's too hard for me.
Are you learning something new?
Yes, I am learning Spanish.
Are you learning something new?
No, not at the moment.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like singing?
No, I am too shy.
Are you feeling sleepy?
Yes, I need a nap.
Are you feeling sleepy?
No, I am wide awake.
Can I borrow your book?
Yes, take it.
Can I borrow your book?
No, I am still reading it.
Is it your birthday today?
Yes, I am celebrating today.
Is it your birthday today?
No, it's next week.
Are you cooking tonight?
Yes, I am making pasta.
Are you cooking tonight?
No, I am ordering food.
Can you fix my computer?
Yes, I will check it out.
Can you fix my computer?
Yes, I will check it out.
Are you going to the gym today?
Yes, after work.
Are you going to the gym today?
No, I am skipping today.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, we talked for an hour.
Did you call your friend?
No, I'll call later.
Are you scared of heights?
Yes, I am.
Are you scared of heights?
No, I am fine with it.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, a little bit.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I don't know how.
Do you work out regularly?
Yes, 3 times a week.
Do you work out regularly?
No, not really.
Are you watching TV now?
Yes, just relaxing.
Are you watching TV now?
No, I am reading a book.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes, of course.
Can you repeat that, please?
No, I forget what I said.
Did you visit your family?
Yes, last weekend.
Did you visit your family?
No, not recently.
Is that your favorite movie?
Yes, I watch it often.
Is that your favorite movie?
No, I like another one.
Can you open the window?
Yes, I'll do it now.
Can you open the window?
No, it's too cold outside.
Are you practicing English daily?
Yes, every day.
Are you practicing English daily?
No, only sometimes.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like spicy food?
No, it's too hot for me.
Can you help me in study?
Yes, I'd love to.
Can you help me in study?
No, I am busy tonight.
Is it your favorite color?
Yes, I love black.
Is it your favorite color?
No, I prefer blue.
Did you finish the project?
Yes, it's complete.
Did you finish the project?
No, I am still working on it.
Are you planning a trip?
Yes, next month.
Are you planning a trip?
No, not yet.
Can you lend me some money?
Yes, how much do you need?
Can you lend me some money?
No, I am broke right now.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
Do you like traveling?
No, I prefer staying home.
Are you happy with the results?
Yes, I am satisfied.
Are you happy with the results?
No, I accepted better.
Can you send me the file?
Yes, I will email it.
Can you send me the file?
No, I don't have it.
Are you available this weekend?
Yes, I am free.
Are you available this weekend?
No, I have plans.
Did you hear the news?
Yes, it's surprising.
Did you hear the news?
No, what happened?
Can you come the meeting?
Yes, I will be there.
Can you come the meeting?
No, I can't make it.
What did she cook?
She cooked pasta.
What does she cook?
She cooks pasta.
What will she cook?
She will cook pasta.
Where did they travel?
They traveled to London.
Where do they travel?
They traveled to London.
Where will they travel?
They will travel to London.
When did he call you?
He called me last night.
When does he call you?
He calls me last night.
When will he call you?
He will call me last night.
Who helped you?
My brother helped me.
Who helps you?
My brother helps me.
Who will help you?
My brother will help me.
Why did she cry?
She cried because she lost her book.
Why does she cry?
She cries because she lost her book.
Why will she cry?
She will cry because she lost her book.
Where do they study?
They studied at Oxford University.
Where do they study?
They study at Oxford University.
Where will they study?
They will study at Oxford University.
When did he exercise?
He exercised every day.
When does he exercise?
He exercises every morning.
When will he exercise?
He will exercise every morning.
Who taught you?
My teacher taught me English.
Who will teach you English?
My teacher will teach me English.
Why did they laugh?
They laughed because the joke was funny.
Why do they laugh?
They laugh because the joke is funny.
Why will they laugh?
They will laugh because the joke is funny.
Where did they stay?
They stayed at a hotel.
Where do they stay?
They stay at a hotel.
Where will they stay?
They will stay at a hotel.
When did he visit his parents?
He visited his parents last weekend.
When will he visit his parents?
He visited his parents next weekend.
Who helped you?
My friend helped me.
Who does help you?
My friend helps me.
Why will she leave early?
She will leave early because she has an appointment.
Where did they go?
They went home.
Where do they go?
They go home.
Where will they go?
They will go home.
When did he arrive?
He arrived last week.
When do they arrive?
They arrive soon.
When will he arrive?
They will arrive soon.
Why does she cry?
She missed you.
Why does she cry?
She misses you.
Why will she cry?
She will miss you.
Which did you choose?
I choose in this.
Which do you choose?
I choose this.
Which will you choose?
I will choose this.
How did they pay?
I paid cash.
How do they pay?
I pay cash.
How will you pay?
I will pay cash.
Whose car did break down?
Mike's car broke.
Whose car does break down?
Mike's car breaks.
Whose car will break down?
Mike's car will break.
Whom did she call?
She called Dad.
Whom does she call?
She calls Dad.
Whom will she call?
She will call Dad.
How did it end?
It ended badly.
How does it end?
It ends badly.
How will it end?
It will end badly.
Who did shout loud?
Kids shouted loud.
Who does shout loud?
Kids shout loud.
Who will shout loud?
Kids will shout loud.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!